If you think cybersecurity is just about fancy firewalls and antivirus software, think again. Imagine a scenario where these tools have failed. That's where digital forensics swoops in to save the day. Picture this. A well-established online retailer, let's call them ShopRite, suddenly notices irregularities in their financial accounts. Transactions are amiss, and customer data seems tampered with. Cue the digital forensics team. This savvy squad, armed with specialized software, begins by securing ShopRite's compromised systems to prevent further unauthorized access. Next, they delve into the digital depths, sifting through bits and bytes to trace the origin of the breach. Using cutting-edge techniques like data carving and steg analysis, they uncovered that a phishing email had slipped through the cracks, fooling an employee into downloading malicious software. This wasn't just any software, it was a gateway for hackers to siphon off sensitive data. But here's where it gets interesting. The forensics team doesn't just stop at identifying the problem. They piece together digital evidence, paving the way for legal action against the perpetrators while helping reinforce the company's cyber defenses. Thanks to their meticulous investigation, ShopRite not only recovers from the attack, but also fortifies its systems against future threats, turning a potential business catastrophe into a masterclass in cybersecurity resilience. So, dear business owners, remember, incorporating digital forensics into your cybersecurity strategy isn't just a choice. It's an essential shield in this digital age. Protect your empire bite by bite.